Okay, back to Leetcode again today. Working on best time to buy and sell stock 2. So in this one, you're supposed to loop through an array and find the differences between some numbers to essentially get out a profit. So the way to think about this one is that every time a number in here in this sequence increases, then you want to take the difference of that and add it to your total profit. So because 1 here is less than 5, there's an increase right there. We would add that to the total profit. From 5 to 3, we'll have to decrease, so we don't add that. But from 3 to 6, there's an increase, so we would add that to total profit. So to do this one, we'll start out by declaring a max profit. And then we're going to loop through all of the prices, which is the input array. Okay, then what we want to do here is we want to compare. Let's grab this right here. So here's the input. So we want to compare all of these numbers against each other, but we want to do it like this. So we want to do it in the sense of if prices I is greater than the previous item in here. So when we're looping through this, we go, and also we don't need to start here at the beginning. We need to start here at 1 because we can't test to see if this is greater than the previous one because there's no previous one. So if we start here, we go, okay, is this number greater than this number? It is not. Is this number greater than this number? No, it is not. Is this number greater than this one? No, it is not. So in this case, that's probably not the best array to loop through. Let's grab this one instead. You get the same concept though. Okay, so is this number greater than this one? No, it is not. But this one is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. So from here, all we would need to do is take max profit. Oops. And set the current value of whatever max profit currently is. So right now it would be 0 in this first iteration. And add the difference between the value of that number and the previous value, like this. Oops. And then at the end here, there we go. Then at the end there, we'd want to return it. So just like that. So let's make sure I don't have any typos in here by submitting it. Oh, we got a runtime error. What did I do wrong? Oh, a typo in there. Let's try this again. Okay, great, that got accepted. And one thing you can do here, if this is looking a little confusing still, you can always grab, let's see, I'm just gonna copy paste this in here because it's a lot of typing, but you can always grab the values here and print them out. So in this case, I'm saying, okay, what is prices I? And then what is prices I minus 1? And if we run this, oops, now we can run this, uncomment that code. There we go. So prices I is 5, prices I minus 1 is 1. So if you go back up here, prices I is 5, prices I minus 1 is 1. You look again, prices I is 6, I minus 1 is 3. Come back up, show you 6 and 3. So we're just taking the difference, right, between these two numbers and adding them.